Hi, my name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. I love that intro. Alright, so what are we doing today? I don't know. We got a lot, I feel like we have a lot going on my face right now. Partially sunburn, reactions from the sun because of medication I'm on. So I decided to actually try out another foundation. This is Inga Cover Fitting Tattoo Foundation. Oh, it has SPF 35 in it. That's nice. It's basically in Korean. Oh, a highly adhesive and covering tattoo-like foundation which makes your skin clear all day by covering skin defects. Is Inga Cover Fitting Tattoo Foundation. Okay. I have shades 1 and 2 here. When did I think I acquired these at the makeup convention, the Ipsy Gen Beauty thing. So I'm gonna open this up and hope for the best. Which one's this? I'm gonna start with 1 because I mean you see me, right? And I have one of those sponges again. I decided to go with the black one today, which was the Creme Shop. The Creme Shop. So supposed to be doing that with my the sponge, not my fingers, right? But here we are. Oh, kind of have a lot going on here. You know what? Let's get the sponge. Oh, okay. Is that how foundation's supposed to work? It's supposed to like blend out nicely like that. It did not look so yellow toned at first, but now it kind of does. See the difference? It's alright, we're gonna make it work. Doesn't seem to be drying down too quickly, which I personally think is good, because I have played around with foundations where it dries down so quickly that by the time you get your little sponge out, or you put some on one part of your face and then you go to do another part, and when you come back it's already kind of settled and done. And you can't move it around. See, so that's still movable. Good. I'm definitely glad I went with number 1. Because even this is kind of, it's too dark, too yellow, but it's okay. We'll make it work for the day. I actually like the way that looks. Wow. I'm just really shocked because I'm not a foundation person. Like I said, I usually just use my tinted moisturizer from Bare Minerals and then my Maybelline Fit Me powder on top. But this is nice. I like the finish. I mean, maybe it's not done drying down yet. I don't know. I think I will add some on my neck though, because there's quite a difference. And now here's the part of the video where you get to see up my nose. I almost don't want to set it down. It actually looks, well, I guess this is what they mean when like it looks like skin. Because I know I've heard that before and it's like, how can it look like skin? It's foundation, but that looks pretty good. Never mind, I'm definitely setting this down. I just looked in the my bathroom where there's natural light, and no. It looks better here in this lighting and on the camera than it does in there and in real life. like I said, I'm not a foundation person. I feel like other people would definitely like this. But for me, I mean, also the color is not right. Which is unfortunate because I'm assuming there's no 0 after the 1, because that's the shade I'm in, 1. Or not the shade I'm in, but the shade I used. So, yeah. To me, you know, I can see the parts where I put some more on, it looks a little cakey, but I feel like all foundations do that. You know what I mean? Like, no shade to this foundation. I'm not up to date with all these terms. I was born in the wrong generation. Yeah. So, since I did the foundation that I don't usually do, maybe I should be real makeup guru-y today and do like a glam neutral kind of look. I do have this. My friend gave it to me for my birthday. It's the Ucanb Twilight Dusk palette. It's most definitely a dupe for the what is it, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, maybe? So first I'm going to take my dollar store brush and set down my Too Faced eyeshadow primer from crease to brow bone with this guy right here, which is called Royal. Okay. This is not exactly a first impression. I have tried some of the mattes before, and I enjoyed them. I've not tried the shimmers though. Okay, I'm gonna go into Amethyst. With this is a Wish fluffy brush. I'm just gonna use this as my transition shade. Same like 5 brushes as usual. BH Cosmetics, it's got a 3 on it. I'm gonna go into Twilight. It's like a berry in a shade. I guess we're going with a berry eye today. Oh, I said I was gonna do neutral, right? Yeah, well. Like I said, my name's Jessica and I don't know what I'm doing. I just can't help myself. Neutrals aren't for me. Like, of course, I'm gravitating toward, okay, pink, gold, kind of like an olive, you know. Okay, IVY crease brush. Nefertiti. Listen, I'm trying here, okay? I don't know how to say these things. I'm trying to go deeper into my crease. Okay. Usually I do all shimmers on the lid. I don't usually do like a matte on the, say, outer third or whatever, but just for you guys, all 4 of you, that's what I'll do. So I'm gonna take that shade again, Nefertiti. Oh, that's nice. Huh. Alright, fine. Just for you guys, all 4 of you. I'm gonna go into Blood Moon, which is more like a rose gold, whereas this one's more like a pink to me. I'm gonna go in with that one instead. Go in with my finger. gonna blend that a little bit. Interesting. Definitely, this is not something I usually go for, so I'm definitely not gonna try to pronounce this one. O-U-D. That one. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and try to lighten up the inner third a little bit. And that's not really working. Thing is, I think this shade is, yeah, it's like darker than it appears in the pan. See how it's kind of light there, but especially on top of the other one, it's not as like light as I wanted it to be, but that's okay. I'm gonna go back to the dollar store brush and I'm gonna go in with Retrograde, which is not exactly as metallic, but it has, ooh, that's a lot. It does have a sheen to it though. I'm just trying to blend. Am I getting shimmer all over? Probably. Do I care? Nope. So now I'm going to take my Beach Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it and I'm going to put, oh, maybe I'll start with Amethyst, the light pink one. Kind of go along that lower lash line. Use some of Twilight, which is the darker color, ow, and some of Nefertiti. If I'm saying that right, it's a fun word to say. Okay, and I'm going to take a little bit of Blood Moon again, go under here. Ooh, that's shiny. And then I'll take O-U-D, put that here, like so. I'm going to put some more of Nefertiti. No, not just so I can say the word. I want it to be a little darker over there. Wow, so looking at myself in the mirror, the foundation is not for me. It's not bad. If I had to wear it again, like, I would. It's not like, it's not something that I would like write off completely. I don't know if I put too much on or lack of primer, but it's kind of settling in here and here. But look at me, I'm such a guru today, like a real one. Got my highlight going on and my rose gold eyes. I actually really like it. I'm gonna show you guys some swatches. So I'm gonna go this way. So we have, oops, it's like a hat. O-U-D, because I'm not pronouncing that. We have Blood Moon. We have Amber. We have Eden. We have Musk. And Desert Sand. Retrograde. Royal. That's like my skin tone. And Amethyst. Then we have Twilight, Nefertiti, Celestial, Blazing, Saffron, Turkish Delight, Cosmo, I go up here, Angelic, and Cashmere. Wow. Okay, so I feel like the swatches, they're not doing it justice. I know I'm a swatch person, but lately swatches have not been doing things I've been trying justice. So I don't want to tell you guys to like go out and buy this and get in trouble, because this is like a very copyrighted palette, but I'm going to use it because it was a gift and I do like it. It's more than a dupe. This is kind of the exact same thing. I liked this. I did. I think it performed well. I'll let you know in the description box later how it wore throughout the day. I do have this too, the Rose Gold Elixir palette from Makeup Revolution. That kind of mimics that, right? I don't know. I feel like this one doesn't have all the shades, or it switched some things around. I like this one and this one, oops, because they have like a lot of green in them. I do like that one, as you can see. I kind of just bought it for those three. But this can be seen as a dupe too. In comparison, I don't know. I feel like these are thicker and more pigmented, but maybe the other ones blend out better. Yeah, I like both. They perform differently, but I do like both of them for their different qualities. Alright, so that's it for today. I do like this. I'm surprised. You know, don't expect this from me a lot because, you know, I like my blues, greens, and purples. But this was a nice change of pace. So I hope you all have a good day, all like 4 of you. Bye!